Hey, what's your name?
My name is Siri. I am anonymic like Prince, or Stonehenge, or Skittles.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
I do my best.
I don't know what that means. If you like, I can search the web for I do my best.
That's okay. I'm here if you need anything else.
I'm not sure I understand.
I can help you with lots of things, like setting a timer, finding a restaurant, or checking the weather. Just ask.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
I'm sorry, I'm not sure what you need help with. You can ask me to do things like send a message, check your calendar, or find a nearby coffee shop.
No need to apologize.
Okay then, what can I help you with?